Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my all friends? So I am showing you sandal for a newborn baby girl, and I am making the sandal with the 1.75 mm and a thread of 3 ply. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now skip 3 and in the 4th chain make double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in all stitches except last one. Make 1 double crochet in all stitches. Now I did my all double crochet. So in the last one I will make 6 double crochet. Six double crochet in the last stitch. From this side make all double crochet, and in the last stitch I'll tell you what to do. Now I finished my 6 double crochet in the last stitch and then double crochet in all stitches. Then in the last stitch I will make 3 double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the third one, 1, 2, and this one is my third chain. So I will make a slip stitch. Now chain 1, chain 1. In the next stitch make 2 single crochet. In the next make 2 single crochet, and now make 3 single crochet, now 2 half double crochet, and now 4 double crochet. Double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in each 6 stitches. Now from this side make 4 double crochet, two half double crochet, again. Now 3 single crochet, and in the last 2 stitches make 2 single crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Now this is my second row for newborn baby. Now make chain 3 and make in the next 2 double crochet, next 1 double crochet, next 2 double crochet in same stitch, and next 1 double crochet. Now make in all double crochet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 stitches. Make double crochet. Now make a set of 1 2 1 2 1 2 double crochet for 6 times. Like I am making 2 double crochet, now 1 double crochet next, now 2 double crochet next, and 1 double crochet in next. So it will be the set of 1 2 1 2. So make it for 6 times. Now I made 6 set of 1 2 1 2, and then I made a double crochet in every stitch. Now when I have 1 2 3 4 left, so I will do 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double, 2 set of this. So let's start. Eight, 1 2 and 1. Now make a slip stitch in third one. So I completed my little sole for newborn. Now cut the yarn and I will start my upper part for the shoe. If you want to look clean and neat and very good in good shape, so you make another sole like this in this size and combine them together, so it will be double sole, and then you make your upper part of the sole. Now let's start from the middle. Now I'm starting my upper part of the shoe. So I will put my needle here and start with yellow color. Now insert a hook in this side of the shoe. This is right foot, so make a knot and pull it through it. Now make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now turn it 9 10. Now make single crochet in every stitch. In the first stitch make single crochet, single crochet. In the next make single crochet. In the next make half double crochet. In the next half double crochet, and in the next double crochet, in the next double crochet, and now make a slip stitch here. Turn the work and make single crochet in all stitches. Single crochet in all stitches. It will be look like this. Now करते हैं. Now from the middle of the shoe like this one and count it for it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I insert hook in the 8th stitch from the back side of the double crochet. So I will make my first single crochet into the back side of double crochet. Back side of the Now from this side, from the middle of the line of this shoe, I count 8 from this side and 8 from this side and made single crochet all around till to the this end. So again chain 1, turn your work and make in the same stitch single crochet and make single crochet till to the other side. Now make single crochet till to the end. Now I finished my back side with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 row. When I reach from my right side, I will single crochet, make single crochet and leave one stitch. Leave one stitch. Then I will chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now let me check 12. Now make 2 more, 13 and 14. Now skip one and the second make single crochet. In the next make single crochet, again single crochet, then make single crochet till to the end. Now my little cute shoe is completed. So if you want to put a flower or a bow on it, it's up to you. So stitch it a button, and it is cute little sandal for baby, newborn baby. I hope you will like it. We will see you in another video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.